Hey, hi, I would like to address one important point in this video. That is, a lot of them asking me I need to reduce the fat exactly at my tummy portion and my love handles and the hip area. So spot reduction is really a big myth. Okay, a lot of them say that you can reduce your fat, just do this exercise to cut down your belly fat, and just do this 5 exercises which will be helpful to trim your waistline. So this all are myth, guys. If someone promoting the spot reduction, you can reduce your tummy fat like that, that is really not at all possible. The scientific fact behind this I would like to explain here. It's very simple, and how we are accumulated fat in our tummy area. Okay, so fat is nothing but in scientific term we called as a triglyceride. Okay, there are two types, actually three types of triglyceride. One is saturated triglyceride, and another one is monosaturated, and third one is a polysaturated triglyceride. So apart from this, there are two kinds of triglyceride which we consume. Okay, one is from eating. Okay, what we eat, the processed food, oil foods, and the french fries, burger, pizza, and whatever the junk you are eating, that is coming inside our body by what we are consuming, okay, via mouth. Okay, and the second one is the liver produces the triglyceride. Yes, these two component, imagine this is which came from our mouth, and this is our liver produced this. So these two triglycerides combine together like this. Okay, it will combine together, and the protein which we eat, okay, some of them will have a good quality source of protein. Okay, and the protein surrounds around this, so this will be your one fat cell. Okay, this forms one fat cells, and this produces the energy to the body, and this fat cells will move in your bloodstream. Via when it moves towards your bloodstreams, the body cells will observe that, and it produces it gives energy to perform. So this is the fat cell which will be accumulated once the body received enough, okay, enough protein and enough energy, and the triglyceride, the fat cells will be stored around somewhere. It will be stored around your tummy area, it will be stored around your chest area, and it may be stored around your bicep area, wherever. Okay, wherever it will be stored. So that is the fat cell which you have accumulated. If you have a more tummy, that since you are eating more than your body is required, and the more fat cells has been accumulated exactly at your tummy area. Okay, this is the scientific fact. Okay, lot of them does not mean this problem exactly, and they are suggesting a lot of things. Okay, so this is what it takes. If you exercise, if you do some sort of physical activity, this triglyceride which is accumulated over your tummy area and anywhere, okay, so that will consume energy, and it takes energy from it. Lot of them says that by doing cardio, okay, by doing cardio you can lose fat. That is okay, but still when you do some heavy workouts and compound lifts like squat, deadlift, and bench presses like this, so then you need more energy, right? From where that energy will produce, it will use your fat cells, such that you will reduce your weight and you will reduce your fat. So this is what I need to address in this video. And you can't reduce the fat exactly at the tummy area. When you do exercise, the energy is absorbed from anywhere. Okay, the fat cells will be stored around your arms, your chest, and from there the energy will be absorbed. So meanwhile, when you do a lot of workout, at the end of the day you will consume a lot of energy. That energy is took from that fat cell. So this is what I need to convey for you. Share it to your friends and family, and I will be back with another informative video. Until then, signing off, this is Akshay Ram, and see you. Take care.